If you make money from selling goods or services in Nigeria, whether you're registered with CAC or not, you are potentially taxable. So that Instagram business, WhatsApp business, online business, or even offline, everything will be taxed. And here's why. Hi, I'm Jadisola Akingbola. I share practical financial advice to help you manage your money with intention and clarity. So you sell goods, gadgets, bags, clothes, wigs, or you sell services, and your business is not registered with the CAC as a company. Instead, you registered your business as a business name, or it's not even registered at all. The law sees you, the business owner, and that business as the same. And so personal income tax will be applied to that business. That means your business profits will be charged using the PIT rates. So in this video, I'll be highlighting 5 things you need to do to make being tax compliant easy for you as a business owner not registered as a company. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to ensure that you do is have a valid ID. To get your tax ID, go to the website taxid.nrs.gov.ng. On the homepage, click on Individual tab, impute your NIN, click on Retrieve Tax ID, fill in the details requested and click Submit, and you will have your tax ID. Not to worry if you already have a tax identification number. Maybe you already registered your business before the new Nigeria tax law and you have a tax identification number. You can still go ahead to use that TIN as it will be linked to your NIN. That is the NIN of the business owner. On to the second point, maintain accurate records and accounts. So if you don't do this already, I'll advise that you have at least a basic profit and loss account. This is where you record revenue and expenses that relate to your business in order to ascertain your profit or loss at the end of the period. You can do this on a monthly basis or a yearly basis or a weekly basis. I will advise that you do it on a monthly basis so that transactions don't pile up and it becomes difficult to analyze. As a business owner, you want to ensure that your bank transactions are properly narrated so that you can be able to identify transactions clearly and agree them with your accounting records. So I've heard a lot of information flying out there that you need to properly narrate your bank transactions so that the government will not deduct tax from your bank account. No. Your bank narrations actually for you as a business owner is for your own benefit. It helps you identify your transactions properly so that you can recognize your revenue and expenses in your accounting records. The government is not going to deduct tax from your bank account without your knowledge. Your business profit is what you file at the end of the year and the PIT you have computed. And this is how you pay your taxes. Thirdly, get and keep supporting documents. In addition to maintaining proper accounting records, you want to make sure that you have proper supporting documents for every transaction you record. Have invoices for every sale you make. Collect receipts when you make purchases. Draft basic employment contracts for your employees. You can also keep proper rental agreements for spaces you rent or equipment you rent in the course of doing your business. Number 4, separate your personal bank account from your business bank account. This cannot be overstressed. I don't want to believe that everyone knows this, but in today's world, most business owners already do this. But if you don't do this already, please separate your personal bank account from your business bank account. This is for your good and the good of your business because it will help you to clearly identify transactions that relate to your personal life or other sources of income, clearly distinguish them from transactions that relate to your business. This helps you to be able to identify, your revenue and expenses, and at the end of the day, your business profit or loss at the end of the period. Okay, do not mix those two accounts together. And finally, number 5, if you need to engage the services of a professional, please do not hesitate. Okay, so the new Nigeria tax law is punitive in the sense that they are punishments for not doing things right. Okay, and to avoid that, if you need to engage the services of a professional, either professional accountant or tax consultant or a lawyer, whatsoever, please do not hesitate to do so. Okay, within your means, within your budget, don't hesitate to engage the services of a professional so as to avoid punishments or penalties or fines that, don't need to be paid at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I believe that you have gotten one or two things that will benefit your business. Please like, share to anyone you know who needs this, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss new videos when they come out. Also, feel free to drop your questions, comments, thoughts on your mind, and I'll be happy to respond to you in the comment section. Till I come your way again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.